I'm Amy. I'm the Youth Services Department Head at the Lexington Main Library. One of my friends told me once that I reminded them of a hummingbird because I am bright red and I zip around really fast. I've decided that hummingbirds are basically my spirit animal. And what I love about hummingbirds is not only are they the smallest of the migrating birds, they are the only bird that can fly backwards. The best way to see a hummingbird, of course, is to get outside. And one of the activities on your summer reading activity card this year is to get outside and take a nature walk. And then you can draw or see about what it is that you saw on your nature walk. Of course, we want to hear what it is that you saw. Maybe it's a hummingbird, maybe it's a butterfly, maybe it's a deer. We want to hear about it. Share what you drew or wrote on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram and tag us in it at LexCo Library. We hope you very much enjoy summer reading this year, and we can't wait to see you at your local library.
Hi, I'm Donna, and I'm at the Batesburg-Leesville Branch Library. I am really excited about summer reading this year because our theme is Tales and Tales. Stories and animals, what can be better? One of my favorite animals is the platypus. When I was a kid a long time ago, I wrote a story about a platypus who knew how to surf. When you write your own stories, you can make up stuff like that. In real life, platypuses don't surf, but they do spend a lot of time underwater. They can spend up to 14 minutes underwater. That's a really long time. They still have to come up to breathe, and like me, when I go underwater, they close their eyes. Did you know that? I didn't know that either. I also didn't know they close their ears. Can you close your ears underwater without using your fingers? That would be really hard, but platypuses can do it. So this summer, I'm gonna read this book about platypuses. And because it has a picture of the platypus on the cover, it's gonna count as one of my summer reading activities. If you wanna read it when I'm done, just stop by your local library. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Miss Amanda at the KC West Columbia Branch Library, here with my friend Sir Robin to share 3 of his favorite Fox books. And I added 1 too. Oh, did you hear that? Foxes have amazing hearing. They can hear a mouse squeaking a football field away. And when they're hunting, they can hear animals hiding underground. And if you're hunting for a fun summer activity, you should check out our program calendar. It's on our website, lexcolibrary.com, under the Programs tab.
Hi, I'm Monica from the Gaston Branch Library, and the animal that I have picked to show to you today for our Tales and Tales summer reading program is the axolotl. Axolotls are amphibians native to Mexico, and their name can be directly translated to water dog. Another really cool fact about these animals is that they can regenerate their limbs up to 5 times. And we actually have a book in our library system that features an axolotl, and that book is Dewdrop by Katie O'Neill. I picked up this book in the first place because I loved the cover, and that actually happens to be an activity on our summer reading activity card.
Hi, I'm Heather Coleridge from the Gilbert Summit Branch. One of my favorite animals is the giraffe. They are the tallest mammal on the earth. But did you also know they have to eat over 75 pounds of food per day? And since their diet consists mostly of leaves, it means if they are awake, they are probably eating. So I hope that you will join us this summer for our exciting summer reading program by stopping by your local branch. You can pick up your game card with loads of fun activities to choose from to earn points and prizes. Reading a book suggested by a librarian is just one of the many activities that you can complete. And if I may, I would like to suggest reading Giraffe Problems by Jory John. We look forward to seeing you this summer.
Hi, I'm Patty Taylor, Youth Services Librarian at the Lexington Main Library. Another amazing animal is the gorilla. Did you know that gorillas can turn their body odor on or off? The silverback gorillas especially can broadcast their presence with a really stinky stench, or they can turn off their body odor to hide from strangers. So when they want to disappear, they can turn off their BO. and it's essentially a type of invisibility cloak. Well, most gorillas live around the equator parts of Africa. They do not live naturally in the USA, but they do live in captivity. The Atlanta Zoo is currently home to one of the largest populations of gorillas. Ivan was a silverback gorilla who lived there in the Atlanta Zoo. Now, the one and only Ivan by Katherine Applegate is a fictionalized tale of Ivan's life. One activity that you could do this summer is read a book that's been turned into a movie. So you can get the book now and read the book, and then later in the summer when the movie is released, you can watch it on Disney+.
Hi, I'm Kristen. And I'm Vanessa, and we're from the Pillion Branch Library. Hey Kristen, did you know that the Black Panther is known as the ghost of the forest because of its dark fur? It allows it to hunt for prey into the dark.
Wow! And did you know the term panther actually refers to 3 different types of big cats? Leopards in Asia and Africa, jaguars in Latin America, and cougars in North America.
And you know what else originates in Africa? The superhero Black Panther, which you can check out at any local Lexington County Library branch.
Hey, from Swansea Branch, we've got Miss Edna, Miss Cindy, and Miss Destiny, and we want to introduce you to our summer reading mascot,
Wally the Whale.
Wally the Whale. Did you guys know that certain fancy perfumes have whale poop in them?
Ooh.
How disgusting
Gross.
is that? We also have a bingo card this summer.
That's right. And if you come to the library, we have all our summer reading books on display, and you can check off one of your bingo spots. Read a book you found in the display at the library. So you come on down and see us. We'd love to see you. And hey, one lucky person will get to take Wally the Whale home.
Ooh, fantastic.
I think so too.
Come see us at Swansea Branch.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Miss Casey and I work at the South Congaree Pine Ridge Branch Library, and I'm ecstatic that this summer reading theme is Tails and Tales because I sure do love animals. Want to guess what my favorite animal is? Okay, I'll give you some hints. It has a nose, it has paws, it has a tail, of course, and it speaks by barking. And you also might find this animal in your house because it is a common household pet. Did you guess dog? Then you are right. Did you know that a dog can understand roughly 250 words and gestures? That is about the same that a 2-year-old human knows. One thing that you can do to participate in our summer reading program is stopping by your local branch and picking up a game card. One activity that is on the game card is reading to a loved one or a friend. If you have a pet at home, go ahead and cuddle up with them and read a book to complete this activity. You may even want to read them a book about what kind of animal they are. Happy reading.
Hi, I'm Christine.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Judy, and we are the Youth Services team here at the Chapin Branch Library. And here with us today is our friend Luna. Luna is a ring-tailed lemur. Did you know that there are more than 100 different kinds of lemurs? Luna will be hanging out with us this summer in the library. Be sure to come visit often and see if you can spot her.
Did you know that the only place lemurs live in the wild are on islands off the east coast of Africa? The Madagascar people tell a story about a man who was blamed for a crime he didn't commit. He ran into the forest and the people chased him. But the spirits of the forest didn't want him to be caught, so they changed him into an Indri, the first lemur. Now he's considered the grandfather of lemurs. I learned that story in this book about amazing animals.
That makes me think of another fun book. This book, My Tail is Long and Striped, What Am I?, is a great book and it's got puzzles in it.
I love puzzles. And did you know that putting puzzles together is one of the fun activities you can do to earn points on your summer reading game card? And you know you can even check out puzzles at the Chapin Branch Library.
See you this summer!
Hi,
I am Jill from the Gaston Library. I work in the Youth Service Department, and I am going to share with you the pangolin. It is an amazing little animal because it has the most vertebrae in all the animals, and it can roll up in a little ball, and a lion can't even bite him, so that's kind of cool. And if you want to read some stories about him, this is one, The Word for Friend by Aidan Cassie. There he is right there. And this one, Roly Poly Pangolin by Anna DeWinby. She's the gal who did llamas, the llama stories.
Hi, I'm Miss Alicia.
Hi, I'm Micah.
Hi, I'm Miss Holly.
And we're here at the Irma Branch Library, and we want to share some fun shark facts with you.
Did you know that sharks don't have bones?
And sharks constantly lose their teeth.
In fact, you can find shark teeth at many of the local beaches here in South Carolina and as far inland as Aiken.
Wow, I didn't know that.
I know, looks like we're going to have to go find some shark teeth later. But we want to share our summer reading fun with you. And while you're reading, you can also play a fun board game with your family. So get working on those summer reading records. See you soon.
Hello friends, it's Miss Fran from the Casey West Columbia Branch Library, and today I want to talk to you about sloths. Sloths are one of my favorite animals because they move really slow, and I like to take my time. One thing that you might not know about sloths is that apparently they give really good hugs. I would like to hug a sloth one day. I don't know about you. Also, I found out in this book, Sloth Went, that it can take up to a month for a sloth to digest a meal. That's a really, really long time. So I found that out from this book, along with other information about sloth digestion. And I found this book on a display at the library. So this summer, if you come to the library and choose some books that we put together for you on a display, you can use that as one of the activities to mark off on your bingo card. How about that? So you get to mark off an activity, you get to learn about various animals, as well as all kinds of other things at the library. I think you should do it. I hope to see you there. See you later.